When subtracting 100 from a number, just subtract 1 from the digit in the hundreds place and copy the digits in the tens and ones place. For example, 389 minus 100. Just subtract 1 from 3 and copy digits 8 and 9. So 389 minus 100 is 289. Let's subtract 672 minus 100. Your answer must be 572. Next, 735 minus 100. It's 630. To subtract 200, 300, and 400, and so on from a number, just subtract the digits in the hundreds place and copy the digits in the tens and ones place. For example, 514 minus 200. Subtract 2 from 5 and copy 14. So 514 minus 200, it's 314. Let's subtract 861 minus 300. The answer is 561. Next, 737 minus 200. It's 537. That ends our discussion for this episode. I hope you learn and enjoy subtracting numbers mentally. Thank you for participating actively. Until our next episode. Again, this is Teacher Cristel, and God bless us all.